After studying this module, you shall be able to know about the automated fingerprint identification system, learn about the hardware and software involved in automated fingerprint identification system, digitalization and processing of fingerprint. Automated fingerprint identification system has been successfully deployed around the globe for both law enforcement and civil application, and new fingerprint matching applications continue to emerge. The fingerprint will continue to be the dominant biometric trait, and many identity management applications will continue to rely on fingerprint recognition because of its proven performance, the existence of large legacy database, and the availability of compact and cheap fingerprint readers. Further, fingerprint evidence is acceptable in courts of law to convict criminals. While fingerprint recognition technology has been under development for nearly half a century, new research problems have accompanied the wide deployment of fingerprint technology. These include extraction of level 3 features, liveness detection, and automated latent fingerprint identification. Issues such as fingerprint recognition at a distance, real-time identification in large-scale applications with billions of fingerprint records, developing secure and recoverable fingerprint templates that preserve accuracy, and scientifically establishing the uniqueness of fingerprints will likely remain as grand challenges in the near future. Now, approach, concept. AFIS technology exploits some of these fingerprint features. Friction ridges do not always flow continuously throughout a pattern and often results in specific characteristics such as ending ridges, dividing ridges and dots, and other information. And AFIS is designed to interpret the flow of the overall ridges to assign a fingerprint classification and then extract the minute detail, a subset of the total amount of information available, yet enough information to effectively search a large repository of fingerprints. Now, digitalization and processing of fingerprints. Algorithms. Demands imposed by the painstaking attention needed to visually match the fingerprints of varied qualities, the tedium of the monotonous nature of the manual work, and increasing workloads due to higher demand of fingerprint recognition to initiate research into acquiring fingerprints through electronic media and to automate fingerprint individualization based on digital representation of fingerprints. As a result of this research, a large number of computer algorithms have been developed during the past 3 decades to automatically process digital fingerprint images. An algorithm is a finite set of well-defined instructions for accomplishing some task which, given an initial state and input, will terminate in a corresponding recognizable end state and output. A computer algorithm is an algorithm coded in a programming language to run on a computer. Depending upon the application, these computer algorithms could either assist human experts or perform in lights out mode. These algorithms have greatly improved the operational productivity of law enforcement agencies and reduced the number of fingerprint technicians needed. Still, algorithm designers identified and investigate the following 5 major problems in designing automated fingerprint processing system. The first is digital fingerprint acquisition. Second, image enhancement. Third, feature extraction. Fourth, matching. Fifth, indexing. First, image acquisition. Knowing fingerprint data can be collected by applying a thin coating of ink over a finger and rolling the finger from one end of the nail to the other end of the nail while pressing the finger against a paper card. This would result in an inked rolled fingerprint impression on the fingerprint card. If the finger was simply pressed straight down against the paper card instead of rolling, the resulting fingerprint impression would only contain a smaller central area of the finger rather than the full fingerprint, resulting in an inked, flat or plain fingerprint impression. The perspiration and contaminations on the skin results in the impression of a finger being deposited on the surface that is touched by that finger. These latent prints can be chemically or physically developed and electronically captured or manually lifted from the surface by employing certain chemicals, physical, and lighting techniques. The developed fingerprint may be lifted with a tape or photographed. Often these latent fingerprints contain only a portion of the friction ridges detail that is present on that finger, that is a partial fingerprint. Fingerprint impression developed and preserved can be digitalized by scanning the inked card, left item or photograph. Digital images acquired by this method are known as offline images. There are a number of live scan sensing mechanisms, example optical, capacitive, thermal, pressure-based, ultrasound and so forth, that can be used to detect the ridges and valleys present in the fingertip. However, many of these methods do not provide images that contain the same representation of detail necessary for some latent fingerprint comparisons. The live scan devices often capture a streaming of fingerprint images from a single scan instead of just one image. Depending on the application for which the live scan device was designed, it may run one or more algorithms using either a resource-limited memory and processing power microprocessor on board or by using an attached computer. Typically, a fingerprint image quality checking algorithm is also run to alert the operational about the acquisition of a poor quality fingerprint image so that a better quality image can be required for the finger or palm. Swipe sensors, where a user is required to swipe his or her finger across a live scan sensor that is wide but very short, can offer a low cost and size. Such sensors image a single line or just a few lines of fingerprint, and an image stitching algorithm is used to stitch the lines or slices to form a two-dimensional fingerprint image. Image enhancement. Fingerprint images originated from different sources may have different noise characteristics and thus may require some enhancement algorithms based on the type of noise. For example, latent fingerprint images can contain a variety of artifacts and noise. Inked fingerprint can contain bulbs or broken ridges that are due to an excessive or inadequate amount of ink. Filed papered cards may contain inscriptions overlapping the fingerprints and so forth. The goal of fingerprint enhancement algorithm is to produce an image that does not contain artificially generated ridge structure while capturing the maximum available ridge structure to allow detection of true minute. Adapting the enhancement process to the fingerprint capture method can yield the optimal matching performance over a large collection of fingerprints. A fingerprint may contain such poor quality areas that the local ridge orientation and frequency estimation algorithms are completely wrong. An enhancement algorithm that can reliably locate these extremely poor quality areas is very useful for the latter feature detection and individualization stages by preventing false or unreliable features from being created. Fingerprint images can sometimes be of poor quality because of noise introduced during the acquisition process. For example, a fingerprint may be dirty. A latent fingerprint may be lifted from a difficult surface. The acquisition medium may be dirty, or noise may be introduced during the interaction of the finger with the sensing surface. When presented with a poor quality image, the forensic expert would use a magnifying glass and try to decipher the fingerprint features in the presence of the noise. Automated fingerprint image enhancement algorithms can significantly improve the quality of fingerprint ridges in the fingerprint image and make the image more suitable for further manual or automatic processing. The image enhancement algorithm do not add any external information to the fingerprint image. The enhancement algorithm use only the information that is already present in the fingerprint image. The enhancement algorithm can suppress various types of noise, example another latent print background color in the fingerprint image and highlight the existing useful feature. Now, the feature extraction. Local fingerprint ridge singularities, commonly known as minute points, have been traditionally used by forensic experts as discriminating features in fingerprint images. Composite minute, made up of two or four minute occurring very close to each other, have also been used. Automatic fingerprint feature extraction algorithms were developed to imitate minute location performed by forensic experts. However, most automatic fingerprint minute extraction algorithms only consider ridge endings and bifurcations because other types of ridge details are very difficult to automatically extract. Further, most algorithms do not differentiate between ridge endings and bifurcations because they can be indistinguishable as a result of finger pressure differences during acquisition or artifacts introduced during the application of the enhancement algorithm. One common approach followed by the fingerprint feature extraction algorithm is to first use a binarization algorithm to convert the grayscale enhanced fingerprint image to binary black and white form, where all black pixels correspond to ridges and all white pixels correspond to valleys. The binarization algorithm ranges from simple thresholding of the enhanced image to very sophisticated ridge ending algorithms. Therefore, a thinning algorithm is used to convert the binary fingerprint image into a single pixel width about the ridge center line. The resulting image from the thinning algorithm is called a thinned image or skeletal image. A minute detection algorithm is applied to this skeletal image to locate the x and y coordinates as well as the orientation of the minute points. In the skeletal image, by definition, all pixels on a ridge have two neighboring pixels in the immediate neighborhood. If a pixel has only one neighboring pixels, it is determined to be a ridge ending, and if a pixel has three neighboring pixels, it is determined to be a ridge bifurcation. Each of the algorithms used in fingerprint image enhancement and minute extraction has its own limitations and results in imperfect processing, especially when the input fingerprint image includes non-frictional ridge noise. As a result, many false minute may be detected by the minute detection algorithm. To alleviate this problem, often a minute post-processing algorithm is used to confirm or validate the detected minute. Only those minute that pass this post-processing algorithm are kept and at the rest are removed. If a ridge length running away from the minute point is suffering, or if the ridge direction at the point is within acceptable limits, the minute is kept. Age quality, neighboring detections, or other indications of non-fingerprint structure in the area. Further, the image can be inverted in grayscale, converting white to black and black to white. Reprocessing of this inverted image should yield minute endings in place of bifurcations and vice versa, allowing a validity check on the previously detected minute. The final detected minute are those that meet all the validity checks. Many other features are often also extracted in addition to minute. These additional features often provide useful information that can be used in the later matching stages to improve the fingerprint matching accuracy. For example, minute confidence, ridge counts between minutes, ridge counts confidence, core and delta locations, local quality measures, and so forth can be extracted. These additional features may be useful to achieve added selectively from a minute matching process. Their usefulness for this purpose may be mediated by the confidence associated with each such feature. The early fingerprint feature extraction algorithms were developed to imitate feature extraction by forensic experts. Recently, a number of automatic fingerprint feature extraction algorithm has emerged that use non-minute based information in the fingerprint image. Now, matching. Fingerprint matching can be defined as the exercise of finding the similarity or dissimilarity in any two given fingerprint images. Fingerprint matching can be best visualized by taking a paper copy of a file fingerprint image with its minute marked or overlaid and a transparency of a search fingerprint with its minute marked or overlaid. By placing the transparency of the search print over the paper copy of the file fingerprint and translating and rotating the transparency, one can locate the minute points that are common in both prints. From the number of common minute found, their closeness to fit, the quality of the fingerprint images, and any contradictory minute matching information, it is possible to assess the similarity of the two prints. Manual fingerprint matching is a very tedious task. Automatic fingerprint matching algorithms work on the result of fingerprint feature extraction algorithm and find the similarity or dissimilarity in any two given sets of minute. Automatic fingerprint matching can perform fingerprint comparison at the rate of 10 of thousands of times each second, and the results can be sorted according to the degree of similarity and combined with any other criteria that may be available to further filter the candidates, all without human intervention. It is important to note, however, that automatic fingerprint matching algorithms are significantly less accurate than a well-trained forensic expert. Even so, depending on the application and the fingerprint image quality, the automatic fingerprint matching algorithm can significantly reduce the work for forensic expert. For example, in the case of latent print matching, where only a single very poor quality partial fingerprint image is available for matching, the matching algorithm may not be very accurate. Still, the matching algorithm can return a list of candidate matches that is much smaller than the size of the database. The forensic expert then needs only to manually match the much smaller numbers of fingerprints. In the case of latent prints matching, when the latent prints is of good quality, or in the case of 10 print to 10 print matching in a background check application, the matching is highly accurate and requires minimal human expert involvement. Automatic fingerprint matching algorithm yields imperfect results because of the difficult problem posed by large interclass variations present in the fingerprints. The variations in displacement, rotation, and partial overlap are typically dealt with by using an alignment algorithm. The alignment algorithm should be able to correctly align the two fingerprint minute sets such as the corresponding or matching minute correspond well with each after the alignment. Certain alignment algorithms also take into account the variability caused by non-linear distortion. Once an alignment has been established, the minute from the two fingerprints often do not exactly overlay each other because of the small residual errors in the alignment algorithm and the nonlinear distortions. The next stage in the fingerprint minute matching algorithm, which establishes the minute in the two sets that are corresponding and those that are not corresponding, is based on some tolerances in the minute locations and orientations to declare a correspondence. Because of noise that is introduced by skin condition, recording environment, imaging environment, and the imperfection of automatic fingerprint feature extraction algorithm, the number of corresponding minute is usually found to be less than the total number of minute in either of the minute sets in the overlapping area. So finally, a score computation algorithm is used to compute the matching score. The matching score essentially conveys the confidence of the fingerprint matching algorithm and can be viewed as an indication of the probability that the two fingerprints came from the same finger. The higher the matching score, the more likely it is that the fingerprints are mated, and conversely, the lower the score, the lesser likely there is a match. There are many score computation algorithms that are used. They range from simple ones that count the number of matching minutes normalized by the total number of minute in the two fingerprints in the overlapping area to very complex probability theory based or statistical pattern recognition classifier based algorithms that take into account a number of features such as the area of overlap, the quality of the fingerprints, residual distances between the matching minute, the quality of individual minute, and so forth. Many fingerprint minute matching algorithms exist and they all differ from one another. As with the various extraction algorithms, matching algorithms use different implementations, different stages, and different orders of stages. For example, some minute matching algorithms do not use an alignment stage. These algorithms instead attempt to pre-align the fingerprint minute so that the alignment is not required during the matching stage. Other algorithm attempts to avoid both the pre-alignment and alignment during matching by defining an intrinsic coordinate system for fingerprint minute. Some minute matching algorithms use local alignment, some use global alignment, and some use both local and global alignment. Finally, many new matching algorithms are totally different and are based on the non-minute based features automatically extracted by the fingerprint features extraction algorithm such as pose and texture feature. Next, indexing and retrieval. In a large majority of forensic and governmental applications such as the latent fingerprint individualization and background checks, it is required that multiple fingerprints be matched against a large number of fingerprints present in a database. In these applications, a very large amount of fingerprint searching and matching is needed to be performed for a single individualization. This is a very time consuming event for automatic fingerprint matching algorithms, so it becomes desirable to use automatic fingerprint indexing and retrieval algorithms to make the search faster. Similarly to the development of the first automatic fingerprint feature extraction and matching algorithm, the initial automatic fingerprint indexing algorithm were developed to imitate forensic experts. These algorithms were built to classify fingerprints image into typically 5 classes. Example: left loop, right loop, whirled arch, and tinted arch, based on many fingerprint features automatically extracted from fingerprint images. Many algorithms use only 4 classes because arc and tinted arc types are often difficult to distinguish. The singular shapes, example cores and deltas in a fingerprint image, are typically detected using algorithms based on the fingerprint orientation image. The explicit rule-based fingerprint classification system first detects the fingerprint singularities, cores and deltas, and then apply a set of rules. Example, arches and tinted arches often have no cores, loops have one core and one delta, whirls have 2 cores and 2 deltas. To determine the pattern type of the fingerprint image, the most successful generalized example neural network-based fingerprint classification system use a combination of several different classifiers. Such automatic fingerprint classification algorithms may be used to index all the fingerprints in a database to distinct bins. Most implementations include overlapping or pattern referencing, and submitted samples are then compared to only the database records within the same classification, which means the same bin. The use of fingerprint pattern information can be an effective means to limit the volume of data sent to the matching engine, resulting in benefits in the system response time. However, the automatic fingerprint classification algorithms are not perfect and result in errors in classification. These classification errors increase the errors in fingerprint individualization because the matching efforts will be conducted only in a wrong bin. Many of the newer automatic fingerprint classification algorithms do not use explicit classes of fingerprints in distinct classification, but rather use a continuous classification of fingerprints that is not intuitive for manual processing, but is amenable to automatic search algorithms. In continuous classification, fingerprints are associated with numerical vectors summarizing their main features. These feature vectors are created through a similarity preserving transformation so that similar fingerprints are mapped into close points in the multidimensional space. The retrieval is performed by matching the input fingerprint with those in the database whose corresponding vectors are close to the searched one. Spatial data structures can be used for indexing very large databases. A continuous classification approach allows the problem of exclusive membership of ambiguous fingerprints to be avoided and the system's efficiency and accuracy to be balanced by adjusting the size of the neighborhood considered. Most of the continuous classification techniques proposed in the literature use the orientation image as an initial feature but differ in the transformation adopted to create the finite vectors and in the distance measure. Some other continuous indexing methods are based on fingerprint minute features using techniques such as geometric hashing. Continuous indexing algorithms can also be built using another non-minute based fingerprint features such as text features. Many system level design choices may also be used to make the retrieval faster. For example, the search can be spread across many computers, and special purpose hardware accelerators may be used to conduct fast fingerprint matching against a large database. Automated fingerprint identification systems have been successfully deployed around the globe for both law enforcement and civilian application, and new fingerprint matching applications continue to emerge. Fingerprint identification is based primarily on the minute or the location and direction of the ridge endings and bifurcations along the ridge path. The image below present examples of fingerprint features: A. Two types of minute, and B. Examples of other detailed characteristics sometimes used during the automatic classification and minute extraction processes. Fingerprint matching can be defined as the exercise of finding the similarity or dissimilarity in any two given fingerprint images. Choosing an indexing technique alone is usually not sufficient. A retrieval strategy is also usually defined according to the application requirement, such as the desired accuracy and efficiency, the matching algorithm used to compare fingerprints, the involvement of a human reviewer, and so on.